Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on past perfect tense. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin.
Question 1.
The correct answer is B. Had given. I lost the key that he had given to me.
Question 2.
The correct answer is B. Came. He had gone before I came.
Question 3.
The correct answer is option C. After. I came here after you had left.
Question 4.
The correct answer is option A. Had. We had the car for 1 year when we sold it.
Question 5.
The correct answer is option C. Had washed. She had washed her hands before she cooked the dinner.
Question 6.
The correct answer is option C. Noticed, had left. I noticed that she had left her books behind.
Question 7.
The correct answer is option A. Went. Had you finished your homework before you went to the market?
Question 8.
The correct answer is B. Had sent. I looked at the photos that he had sent.
Question 9.
The correct answer is option C. Did not. I did not have any book because I had lost my bag.
Question 10.
The correct answer is option A. Decided. Had you decided to go abroad at that time? What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.